Hi, my name is Stephanie Curry, and I'm going to be walking you through my MyCred profile. On this profile, I have my portfolio projects that I did while attending Bryan Stratton College. Um, as I was at this school, I was um, going for my Human and Social Services degree, an associate's degree, and I am going to be taking you through here and showing you the different portfolio projects that I have attached to my MyCred profile and the outcomes that I accomplished while um, doing these projects. So as you can see, this is my profile. It has my name, um, my school, my job at the moment at GC Services, where I am a communications representative, um, my number, and this is my two emails. The S. Carmen one is the best option. And let's scroll down a little bit. Okay, as you can see, I don't have a whole lot on here as of right now. I will be building this up more, um, and I will be attaching more about my awards and um, honor roll, and also where I've made dean lists multiple times throughout my attending Bryan Stratton College. We'll start here at my goals. And it says here I have many goals in my life. One is getting my bachelor's degree in human and social services. It is important to me to finish my degree and to become a counselor. Another goal is staying healthy because I want to be around longer and feel better. One more is to be happy with myself and the life I'm living. Okay, right here is my academic services, cultural awareness, and then we have 9 types of depression is one of the portfolio projects that I had done. I felt really good about this um, project. It really helped me look deeper into um, depression, the causes, the different types. Um, all of these projects I feel helped me in completing my course's outcomes, not just one at a time, but I feel like they all helped me achieve understanding. Um, so I'm going to go ahead and explain to you the different outcomes and how each of these um, pertained or assisted me in gaining these outcomes. Demonstrating an understanding of patient, client, customer service needs within the um, services of human and social services. Demonstrating ethical and legal communication techniques. Adapt essential communication skills to interact with others. Analyze and apply knowledge and skills. Support the assessment of clients with support research. Utilize appropriate technology that I would need in those careers. Transferring knowledge and skills through formal and informal situations, as in job, home life, and so on. Another one is employ strategies from learning and practices to adjust learning for cultural um, and more in control and continue improvement. Basically, strategies to learn and practice to make my understanding um, better and knowing how to research better for my career. Follow essential messages or methods. Sorry, establishing methods, inquiring, and mathematical reasoning. Basically, understanding the mathematical aspects of the career I'm in. Um, and another one is participating in social, academic, and professional communications for individual growth. So I did all this by not only school, but also through my own therapy sessions and friends working. I try to put all of these in and studied how I was taking these outcomes, these course outcomes, and put them towards my own life. So in the 9 types of depression, I demonstrated how my knowledge, I demonstrated my skills, um, the technology I would need in order to perform my job duties. In the next project, it was an evaluation, and in this one, I evaluated a situation and how to use technology, my understanding of therapeutic methods for mental illness, counseling, and case management, and put that towards assessing an individual, the treatment plan, and further assessments that would have been needed. Had to look into the symptoms as well. And the next doc, I also had to do the exact same things. In all these, I brought forth my understanding of counseling to essential, essentially everybody. As a counselor, we do need to be ethical. So in each of these, the cases were all different. We would have, just for my last class that I haven't been able to load up to my MyCred yet, we had 2 scenarios where it was 2 completely different individuals. It could be a male, a female, different ages. One could be like in their 50s, one could be a teenager, and both showing symptoms of different types of mental illness and having to diagnose them and understand their, not just their cultural, but their ethnicity and their age difference and so on. So it takes a lot of different aspects to be able to not just diagnose someone, but for their treatment and what would be best for them. So you have to be ethical and culturally aware of the situation of not just your clients, but as yourself. You need to know yourself and understand your culture and your beliefs, as well as understanding that just because that is your culture and that is your belief doesn't mean theirs affects yours. So you have to put yourself out of the equation. You are a safe zone. You are non-judgmental. You are void. So you're just there, someone that they can talk to, and you can assist and help them figure out what needs to be done, what is going on in their lives, someone to help them if they need medication, if they need hospitalization, and find ways to cope and move on. All of these outcomes I feel that I have met and have grasped a greater understanding of the world around me and the people in my life and the people that I interact with. I have become more understanding and accepting, and I feel like it has helped me grow in more ways than I realized before. So you can see I have right now these 3. And then there's my goals. And then right here's my bio. I will be uploading more on my skills as well as my educational background. And then right here is my cultural awareness. That was a great portfolio project that I did. Also, we'll be loading up assignments, not just my portfolio projects, but as well as my assignments to this for further in-depth information on what all I had learned. So if you do end up having any questions or concerns about all this that I have explained, please feel free to always email me at scarman1990@gmail.com. I do appreciate you listening, and have a great day.